Turn sketch into a real picture with Gemini AI. Here I'm going to show you how to turn a sketch into a real photo with Gemini or picture, anyone. Now here to do it, this is a step by step, so watch to the end to know everything. Now what you do now here is to first download the background which you will use to draw the sketch here like this. Here I'll open up a new tab which I'm using Chrome browser in order to show you this tutorial here like this. I'll open up a new tab on Chrome. Now here I'll click on this search bar and type white background here. You can see white background. Now here click on search. Now here click on images. Now you can see white background. Now here download anyone you like or the one you feel more preferable. Here I will use this one. Let me use this one instead. And click on download here and download the image. Now return to Gemini like this. And here inside Gemini, what you do now here is to upload the background here by clicking this icon here. Now click on upload files. Click on photos if you are using smartphone. And here click on the background. Now after uploading the background, what you do now is to tap on it like this, beside it like this, and then wait for it. As you can see, the background I've shown now. Select the color you want to use to draw it like this. You can see color and select anyone you want to use. Here I will use red. Let me use red. Also make sure you download the perfect white paper background or perfect white paper dimension which you want to use to draw this. Now to draw it, what you do now here is to here you can sketch it. This depends on how perfect you can draw. Here let me try drawing here like this. As you can see, I'm using a mobile device to show you guys how to do it, but you can use your mouse in order to give it a perfect line. Now as you can see, I have completed the drawing. Now what you do now here is to click on done on top side here like this. Also you can make some correction on the drawing if you feel like the drawing is not perfect. You can make correction like this by tapping on it again like this. Then zoom it if you are using mobile like this. You can see this revise icon. Just click on it in order to revise to the place you feel like is not perfect, but make sure you have not clicked on done before doing this. Now here after your drawing, just click on done here. Now here use this prompt on the screen here like this. Click on here, paste the prompt here. Now paste the prompt like this. Now here on the prompt you can also edit it and add it more features to it. Like here I'll ask you to make it more real or make it more cinematic, but here I'll ask you to make it more real like this. Now after editing, the prompt to do now is to click on tools here. Now click on create images here like this. Now what to do now is to send it by clicking on this icon here. Also make sure here on this icon where it says thinking, you select either thinking or pro. Here you can select either thinking or pro, but here I will use thinking in order to get more accurate picture. Now here what I will do now is to send it. You can also use canvas in order to do the drawing, but here you can see that Gemini can do it also. Now wait for Gemini to do its work. You can see it didn't get the drawing because I'm not good in drawing, but let's redo it and know if it will get it more accurately by clicking this icon and then click on try again. You can see the second one, it gets it more accurate to what I want for it to ask here. You can see it gets it more accurately by redoing it. You see it here. That's why I asked you to use thinking instead of You can see you can download it by pressing on it like this and click on download. If you are using Chrome as your browser, and click on download here and download it. Now here you can see the first one is not that perfect, but the second one is more accurately to the drawing you see here. If you are using mobile phone, make sure you switch to desktop mode like this. Here you can see I'm in desktop side. Here on the desktop side you see I switch to desktop here, and also I prefer you use Chrome in order to do this. Now here you can see here, or use the mobile app if you like. Now here you can see it gets it more accurately. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I'll do so to reply you. Now check out the playlist on the screen now to know everything on Google AI 2. Now see you.